folks, if you've ever wondered what's inside of a pith helmet, an Indian style pith helmet, yes, I'm about to take one for the team. The pith helmet is going down. Bosch 12-volt lithium-ion multi-tool kit with a Sawzall. Highly recommended for full-time RVing and wrecking the crap out of your, was this French? No, this is the Indian style pith helmet. I walked into an RV in the Florida Tampa RV show and I smacked my head on the back of a small toy hauler, and this thing is broken right here, and probably saved me from whiplash and going unconscious laying on the floor of an RV in the middle of an RV show. Alright, can't believe I'm doing this. It's 40 bucks down the drain, everybody. Or the leather strap. I have an app for that, folks. Spider Coat makes an app for that. There we go. Probably go with this guy here. There we go. And the Velcro just comes apart. Oh my. Alright, well, let's sit down and take a closer look. Apparently the adventure dog was uncomfortable with the happenings and she got up and left. Alright. So 2 layers of cotton, and let's take a look-see. All right, here's your plastic. There's your plastic encased headband, and this is stoutly glued. So there's almost inside the liner. Looks like there's almost like a paper liner, maybe. I'm guessing this inner cloth may have been bonded to a paper liner, and like a, yeah, it's almost it's paper, but it feels like it's got rubber on it. So there are layers in here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove some of this accoutrement here. I'm gonna take this head strap out. It's almost like cork. It's not cork, it's like a that's why it broke. It didn't break my head. So on their website it says they're using molding techniques that the French brought to Vietnam during their little stint there. So pith is the inner liner of a tree, and it's soft. It's pretty spongy. It's definitely wood and wood core. They've got just some bend down staples holding that together. When it's in one solid piece, the integrity of it's not bad. The brim is considerably thicker than the top. It's a cardboard, 3 layers of this cork, and there's like a cardboard layer here underneath that. A lot of glue. It's real sticky even right now. I don't know if it'd stick back or not. And then, so you've got roughly 3 layers of the cork, or the pith, if you will. And it's appears to be cross molded for strength a little bit. So it's multi-directional like you would on a plywood or anything else. And then you've got your inner layers here where it's molded and bent. If you can see me, it's kind of thumbprint spongy. Alright, well folks, eschewing no sacrifice for the viewer here at Caribou Dave Adventures. The pith helmet is no more. It was a little squeeze. It was squeezing my noggin a little bit, but like I said, it did stop an attack by a small RV that would have possibly caused some damage. It's almost like a layer of insulation or styrofoam, but it's a natural material, and that's going to keep heat and reflect heat back, sunlight back. and keep your head a little cooler. Obviously, you need some venting and air movement to keep your head cooler inside, because this can be like the inside of a cooler, but I can see the basic idea of these guys. This is made in Vietnam and made on the original mold, original style of the French folks that came down and hung out in Vietnam for a while. All right, folks, remember, do what you can, where you are, with what you have, and yeah, that's a two-parter there now. I'll put it in the campfire and burn it a little bit. So Caribou Dave here, the adventure dog sleeping nearby, and Pith Helmets, what's inside. Please like, subscribe, and thumbs up. And if you think Pith Helmets are cool, or even if you don't like Pith Helmets, smash that thumbs up and subscribe button. Do it now. Caribou Dave, out. Okay. Thumbnail scene.